Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 1099 INT with Ally Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your 1099 INT with Ally Bank, start by logging into your Ally Bank account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Ally Bank website. Enter your login credentials in the designated fields. Once you're logged in, locate the Documents tab on your account dashboard. Click on the Documents tab to access your account statements and tax documents. Look for the section labeled Tax Documents in the Documents overview. Find the 1099 INT form listed among your tax documents. Click on the 1099 INT form to open it. Review the document for accuracy. Check that all your interest income is correctly stated. Ensure your personal information, like your name and social security number, is accurate. If you spot any discrepancies, take a screenshot or note down the errors. Contact Ally Bank customer support if you need assistance correcting any information. You can reach customer support via phone, chat, or email. Follow any additional instructions provided by customer support to resolve the issues. Once verified, save or print your 1099 INT for your records. This document will be essential when filing your taxes. Make sure to keep it in a safe place for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.